In a state like Manipur, where seizure of illegal drugs has become a daily routine affair, there is need of a tough drug policy to curb the increasing drug menace. The state cabinet is yet to introduce a strong drug policy despite the alarming situation. Here is an exclusive report.
Even though the entire country is facing serious difficulties due to the COVID-19 pandemic, seizure of huge quantity of drugs along the Indo-Myanmar border and Imphal-More Road is on the rise. It is happening every day. The origin of these drugs is said to be Myanmar. The question is how these illegal drugs are transported via Indo-Myanmar border guarded by the Assam Rifles.
Lockdown manungsida lockdown gi khudong chaba lauraga ngari singda lona drugsing kujuklai puri haiba pau tabadagi maruina koina check post more de leiba police check post si akan mong de section round long tun lai amsung technopol de leiba koi fixing point sing yamna kanna mikup na hon kanna chena tun lai.
With no tough drug policy to tackle the continuous flow of drugs into the state, the Manipur government Social Welfare Department is making efforts to conduct a survey to facilitate drafting of a drug policy which needs approval of the cabinet. The porous Indo-Myanmar border has smoothened movement of drug traffickers. Manipur shares 398 km border with Myanmar.
Drug policy huzik makki oindi leitri adu huziki kanno ina khoina pipeline da masi huzaina sum tabda cabinet da puthokpagi stage ta leiren ta je.
Narcotics Affairs and Border NAP has seized 6.4 kg of heroin, 19 lakh WI tablet, 41 kg of opium and 50 kg of brown sugar within 5 months. This is from January to June 2020. In the first phase, seized drugs were disposed at the end of 2017 and the second phase at the end of 2018. For the third phase disposal, approval from the court and Manipur Pollution Control Board is awaited.
aduna si borders ga taina bada ching turen porous oiba nature kyam lei akoina fencing toraga ju chithan andaba jaga loin 398 makti cover to ngom demna durim changak pa lerangani number 1 number 2 hana changaga store to mayam su lerangani aruna covid ki hujiki lockdown lerpa manung sidadi ai wakhandadi drug ki trafficking ja duki matik tabra ina armaina khanjai adubu hana lehobagi movements si oirambe adugu border dagi chithan andaba fencing da sidai changak pa mayam dune khoina swaina phaba punba tawrise.
The real reward lies in giving stringent punishment to all the drug dealers, but only making arrest will confuse the public and encourage the drug traffickers.
Nisa thadok la sian hoji hairi se thadok ka doi sigi damakta government ki specific plan ama khoina develop tawba ma changi natraga di hoji already substance dependent oidana lairiba singsina nisa thadok bagi damakta treatment mathau tai da hangjaningi ba wahang di handak last 1 month ki paper da drug ka kona na phare haidana phagriba mi singse karigumba NDPS ki matung inna moida ain gi phangpham thokpa sairak singdo phanganbiba taragadi masigi lokhalaiba Manipur police ki initiative se akoi pona mangna adoki matik thagatham thoi poti supply leidana demand hengalamba taragadi covid marak sida kanagumba drug user amagi marakta covid changiba taragadi Manipur da leriba covid ki pandemic se ngasi leriba magi khudong thiningai chang sidagi di aduki matik kono khudong thiningai chang si henjalakani haibasi mai thamjage
phariba drug singsi karai dagi no haidana maru si amuktang phuktu agadi akoi punam ke phabo oigani yamna chingna nangai oi maramdi more line the drug phaba si border sin tawring the drug phaba si more da achow factory am lai rabra se praja sing wahang ni toidana.
Several drug smugglers have been arrested along with huge quantity of drugs, but where is the punishment for the crimes they have committed? Bureau Report, Times of Manipur News.